When it comes to renovation, carpentry play an important part because it stands about 50% of overall renovation costs. Customizing carpentry is able to maximize the space and customize the interior style based on individual preference to produce more functional cabinets and desired lifestyle. One of the main features of carpentries produced by Geometric Design and Build is we tend to apply mixed engineering wood to meet different conditions and purposes. The mixed wood method and technology not only maximize the durability and quality of cabinets, but also reduce the cost of renovation respectively. Our carpenters are instilled with the right attitude and professional skill set. With extraordinary understanding between carpenters and designers, we are able to deliver exceptional and satisfying qualities. Our carpentry mill consists of different types of machines, come with organized layout that provides smooth sequence of works. From wood cutting process, ABS edge bending, exhaust system, every single cut comprised of carpenter's spirit and their professionalism.